So I have some pieces of willow that are about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch in diameter. And I just cut them. I cut them in winter. And I just cut them, which means they're green. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a chain just like this one. And in the past, using them green hasn't mattered that much. I think the shrinkage issue is less of an issue when they're small like this and when you're making rings instead of baskets. And before I even start, I take each one and I tenderize it, which means I give it a little bend all along its length like that. Just go along the whole thing, giving it little bends. And that helps it curve instead of kinking, bending. I don't want to kink, I don't want to make an angle, I want to make nice curves like that. I then start towards the butt end or thick end of the stick, the rod. And I essentially tie an overhand knot, just a simple knot like that. And put the tip end through. And I just keep wrapping the tip around until I end up with a ring. And where this butt is over here, I'm going to take my second rod and put it up here on the opposite side of the circle. See, I think that one. And for that first ring, I'm going to keep going like that. Like the next one will start here, the one after that will start down here, until I've got about 5 or 6 rods or sticks in this ring. Okay, so at this point I'm going to start working on the second ring, and for that one I simply put this through. It's already been tenderized. I get it to that point, just crossed over, hold it, make sure they're roughly the same size, like that. Those are more or less the same size. And then I can start bringing the tip through. And then from there, I just keep going until it gets to the length I want, or until I run out of willow. And I let it sit for a few weeks inside. And once it's finally dry, I'll trim off these, trim off all these ends. Here's another one I made maybe a year ago. This one's made out of willow. Here's another willow one where the rings are a little smaller. This is about 6 feet long. And here's one I made this year out of birch. I've been trying to do it with birch. It's a little harder to... Birch has a lot more branches. It's a lot harder to... a lot more trimming involved. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.